Hey man, this is the screen that I just bought for my Asus UX32, and as you can see my computer is on, the screen's not on. Well, it's on, the backlight's on, and then there's that weird looking white splotch across the screen. It's not working, and when I switch back to my old monitor, which I'll get another video that, it turns right on. So something tells me that white spot and the fact that it's not working means that there's probably an issue with the screen. I don't know why, but you know, let's work it out, man. I'm going to show you the other one working just so you know. And just so you know, look, I got my computer open. I just have it temporarily installed for right now, but I'm going to power it down and go from there, alright? And show you the other screen working, so you know that I'm, that there's nothing wrong with my computer. All right.